It's Thanksgiving. Ooh. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I am about to do something to my face and everything because we are FaceTiming some family members and stuff. So this is not going to be a talk through, obviously. I'm so hot, I'm sweating, my head hurt. I had to turn the ceiling fan on, so this is just going to be where you guys just watch me do my makeup. If you have questions about what I'm doing, what I'm using, check out some of my past videos. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
It is done, it's a wrap. No, we ain't playing games. Did your nails, did your makeup?
Okay, you guys, so the look is finished. I feel a lot better. Maybe just, you know, having the air on, having the fan on, having a beat face, it just does something to you. Okay, so I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving and holidays like this because it gives you time to reflect on your family, your friends, your career, your home, all of these different things. And it's an opportunity to just say, hey, I'm thankful that I'm here. You know, I may live in an apartment, but I'm not homeless. You know, I'm thankful for that. I may have one, you know, single parent, but, you know, I have a parent. Somebody else, you know, don't have parents. It's like, it's just an opportunity to be grateful right before we go into the new year when everybody's making resolutions and all these different things. Let's just be grateful, y'all, okay? So I am just so thankful even to have this opportunity, how I wasn't feeling that well and I filmed this video and it just lifted my spirits. You know, I'm thankful that I have the opportunity to make these videos for you all so that you guys can learn something or even teach me something. So I'm so excited. So y'all saw what I look like at the beginning of this video. So amen, let's just be grateful, okay? When we are grateful, it opens up an opportunity for us to heal and forgive and all of these other wonderful things. So I hope y'all have a blessed Thanksgiving. Of course, I'm trying to get this video out today on Thanksgiving so y'all can see it and be as excited as I am. I'm about to go put up my Christmas tree, so I'm super excited about that. If y'all want to see that, make sure y'all go over to our couples channel, Chilling with the Chisholms, so y'all can see us put this tree up. This is like my first time ever putting up a tree since I haven't been, you know, staying with my parents. So I'm just so excited. So okay, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that y'all won't miss not another video. Okay, make sure that you guys keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.